One of the most unsettling possibilities is that the simulation is not being actively monitored at all, not because the simulators are malicious, but because attention may be unnecessary. The system could be ancient. Its creators may have initiated it for reasons that no longer exist. They may be extinct, transformed, or simply uninterested in individual outcomes. If the simulation is stable, self-correcting, and capable of producing complexity on its own, then constant oversight would be redundant. In this view, the silence of the universe is not evidence against design. It is exactly what a mature system would look like. Another possibility is even more destabilizing. The simulators may themselves exist within a simulation, not as a philosophical trick, but as a statistical implication. If simulations are possible at all, and if intelligent systems tend to create them, then base reality becomes the exception, not the rule. Reality may be recursive, layers generating layers, each believing itself to be fundamental. In that case, there may be no final authority, no ultimate creator to uncover, only a repeating pattern, systems giving rise to intelligence, intelligence creating systems, meaning forming locally rather than descending from the top. If the simulation was created deliberately, it may not be about control, punishment, or entertainment. It may be about emergence. What happens when simple rules are allowed to unfold without interference? What kinds of minds arise when meaning is not predefined? What values form under uncertainty, limitation, and risk? In this model, the simulation is not a story being watched. It is a process being observed. Individual lives matter internally, but the system may be interested in patterns rather than people. Not outcomes, but behaviors. Not answers, but trajectories. A persistent question follows naturally. If someone is running this, why don't they stop suffering? This question assumes a moral framework identical to our own. But moral concern changes with scale. Humans do not intervene in every natural process that causes pain. We allow ecosystems to collapse. We permit evolution to proceed through loss and extinction. We accept suffering as part of long-term emergence. This does not justify indifference, but it explains it. If simulators exist, they may prioritize system-level properties over individual comfort. From that distance, intervention could destabilize the very dynamics they are observing. Thanks for watching. If this video made you pause, question, or see things differently, then it did its job.